Hello. So today I'm testing my rainwater. I did a small tiny little rainwater collection. So I collected the rainwater in this little bucket here earlier, last week, but I did cover it up. I had it covered until my filter came, and once my filter came, I was going to go ahead and try to filter it out and just to see how it goes, to do a test run before I eventually maybe transition into a full-blown rainwater harvesting system. So as you can see, my TDS tester is at 0. I'm going to go ahead and hold it at whatever number it's on at this time. Hold, and it's still on 0. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a tap water test. With the same tester. Take it off of hold. I'm going to turn it off and restart it. And test the tap water, and as you can see, that immediately goes up to 151. So clearly rainwater is much cleaner than tap water, and the rainwater is much cleaner than tap water before it's even filtered.